a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A line of snow showers will affect eastern Huron, Erie, Medina, Ashland, Wayne, Lorain, and northern Holmes counties until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar indicated snow showers along a line extending from 6 miles east of Sandusky to 7 miles west of Medina to Sharif, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include winds to 30 miles per hour, visibility dropping to less than 1/4 mile at times, up to 1 inch of quick snow accumulation. These snow showers will affect motorists traveling on Interstate 71 north of Ashland and Interstate 80 west of Elyria. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Worcester, Sandusky, Ashland, Norwalk, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Wadsworth, Amherst, Orville, Grafton, Brittman, and Wellington. Use extra caution if you must travel. Rapid changes in visibility and potentially slick roads may lead to accidents.